I just wanted to take a minute to share with you just how blessed I am to work for the company that I do. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. They sent out for our anniversary, our company-wide anniversary, a little care package for us. Now, I did peek in and see that our company's logo and branding is on here, so I'm not going to turn that around. It's got some of the little fuzzies from this paper on here, but gorgeous glass bottle. Let's see, I don't know what that is, but and then we've got this shower steamers. Oh, how nice. I cannot wait to, it looks like you can break them down and pop them into your shower, drop them into your shower. What is the scent? I'm curious to know. It says in shower aromatherapy. Well, that's the first dark amber. Oh, namaste, y'all. Rich brown sugar blended with sweet, ripe fig, candied rum, and dark amber. Oh, I'm sure it smells. Oh, it smells heavenly. Okay, so we've got that. Then we've got the red wine elasticity sheet mask set. Okay. Talk about a spa day. All right. And then we have refillable hand sanitizers. Let's see. Get it open. Okay. How cute. How stinking cute is that? Perfect for your pocket or your purse or your car. All right. And then last but not least, we have the Stay Calm lavender and chamomile. How did they know I love the lavender fragrance? West and Peak, number 6. So I'm just sharing with y'all, you know, how I truly am blessed, and I don't take for granted any of the things that I receive from any place, whether it be you guys or the place that I'm employed with. So that was it. That was all. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.